Hi friends, this is soft freezing. In this lesson you will be doing something like this. Okay, so you just subscribe and stay tuned for more advanced lesson. Let's start. Alright, so this is a retaining wall. Okay, also we'll be using the specified tools, okay, to do this model. Okay, so we will create a new project. I will use a metric structural template. Okay, because in this project in the subsequent lesson we'll be adding reinforcement to this particular model. Okay, all right, so this is a new project. Okay, if I check the south elevations, you notice my levels. Okay, the height of the retaining wall is going to be 3 meter. Okay, and so I will go to the structural tab. Okay, I will also navigate to the level 1, just like this, and I will enable find. Okay, just like this. Then the next thing I will have to do, I will enable this one. Alright, then I will come to this place, component. Okay, we mentioned these tools, model in place. Okay, we'll be using this. Click on that and then you scroll down. Okay, I want to use a generic model. Alright, generic, this one, and I'll click. Okay, I'll give it a name as a retaining wall, just like this. Okay, alright, you can see under create tab you see the form. Okay, so the next tools we'll be looking at is this solid sweep. Okay, so we will click on it. Once you click on it, the next point you need to click is this sketch part. Okay, click here, then you will be enabled to sketch the part of the retaining wall. Alright, so what we are going to sketch now, should be our length. Okay, the length of the retaining wall. Okay, so this is I want the length to be 5 meter. Okay, let me use 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter length. Okay, just like this. Alright, I escape. So this is what my length is. Okay, so the next thing I will be looking at is I'll click on this finish edit mode. Okay, once I click on that, I will click on the edit profile. Okay, so in the edit profile you can use any of these elevations, okay, to edit your profile. Okay, so I want to use east, so I click on open view. Alright, so I will be having something like this. Okay, alright, so I want to start the modeling of the retaining wall, so I will click here and get it to this point. Okay, also get it to this point. This side now is the heel of the retaining wall, as in it is this side I will go into the edge. Okay, so I will make it to 1800. Okay, just like this, okay. Alright, so the next thing I will be looking at is I will get the the two thickness to be 300, just like this. And then I will incline this line just like this, and I will click. Okay, so the stem of the retaining wall, the stem I will be using 250 for the stem. So 250 divided by 2 is 125. Okay, so my stem will be 250, just like this. Okay, so I will click on line, close this top, then I will delete this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, so I will pick this line and incline this line. I can incline this line just like this. Okay, so for me to be able to know the distance here, I can use the stem at this top to determine the ones at this bottom. Okay, so I will want something of this kind. Okay, so I will use this tools to just like this to bring them together. Alright, so I will do the same thing this side. Okay, so this side I will click on line 2 and I will go 1000. Okay, that is 1000, and this is the heel. Okay, so the heel thickness I want to use 250 mm. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then I would go with a angle of 10 degree, just like the way you are seeing. I'll make it 15 degree, and I will click. Okay, so I can mirror this one. Okay, to this this side. So if I want to do that, I use this, click on this point, click on one of this point. I have it that way. Okay, so I can now delete this. Okay, just like this, and then I will connect this one to this, just like this. So the next thing we'll be looking at is the toes. Okay, so I will have a point here. Okay, just like this. 200. No, I want to make it 300. Okay, 300, just like this, and then click here. So I want to connect this point to this point, just like this. It's not connected, so what you need to do is use the break tools to break this point. Okay, and then you'll be able to connect here to here. Okay, just like this. Delete this one. Okay, make sure you have a single line. Okay, then you have something of this kind. Okay, alright, so this is our retaining wall model. Okay, we have finished the sketch. Alright, mind you, we are sketching this in the east, not the front, not the back, it's just the side. Okay, this is the side we are sketching. Okay, so we have finished the sketch. You click on finished. Okay, make sure it does not have any break line. Okay, all line must be single. Okay, just like this, single line. Okay, as it connects each other. Okay, and don't have a duplicate line. If you have a duplicate line, it will not finish by the time you click on this finish edit mode. Okay, so I just click on finished, so you have something like this. Okay, so if you want to change the material of this, Okay, you can go back to edit mode, edit profile. Okay, see this place. Okay, this is material by category. Okay, so if you click there, see this three dotted point. Once you click, it will take you to this place. Okay, so you can't just create a new material just like this, and then you also rename it. Okay, and then you call it you can call it returned just like this, or give it any name of your choice. Then you click use render appearance, and now use this point. Okay, check on this place, you want to make it a concrete, so you can type here concrete. Okay, concrete to search for concrete material. So this custom placed. Okay, you can use custom place, cast walkway. Okay, any of this. Okay, I prefer using this one. You double click here. Okay, and then you closed. Alright, just like this, and then you apply it. Okay, and click on OK. Alright, you can see the material has been changed. Okay, so the next thing you have to do, you can click on this edit graphics. All these are checked. Okay, so you click on OK. Alright, and then click on close as in finished, and it's finished again. You finished finally. Alright, so our retaining wall has been drawn successfully. So we can check the 3D of what you've done. Click here. So click there, you have something of this kind. Okay, so this is the retaining wall. Okay, so you can just use your orbit to orbit it. Alright, so this is what you will be having. Okay, it's in wireframe. You can make it solid like this so you can see it very well. Okay, alright, so we have modeled this successfully. This side will go into the earth, which is the heel, and this one is the toe. Okay, so this is the stem. Alright, so this is the lesson that we have to have for today. Okay, so you stay tuned for more lesson. Okay, just subscribe. In the next lesson we'll be learning more new things using Revit architecture. Okay, so bye for now.